This equation is from the official practice test for the SAT by the College Board. Here we are going to find the smallest solution to this equation. And I'll tell you, this right here is not so tricky. If you want to have a trickier version, well, I did come with one. I will link that in the description for you guys, so you guys can try that after this video. So for this one, we have square roots on both sides. We can just kind of square both sides. That's how we get rid of the square root. So this right here stays though. I didn't get rid of this and that. I got rid of this and that because I squared it both sides. So here inside we have x minus 2 parentheses squared. That is equal to 3x plus 34. Now on the left hand side, we're just going to expand it. X minus 2 squared is the same as x minus 2 times x minus 2. Multiply this out. X times x is x squared. X times minus 2, that's minus 2x. And then minus 2 times x, another minus 2x. Lastly, negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Combine them, we get x squared minus 2, both of them have the x. So that's minus 4x plus 4. So don't forget the middle term when you expand that. Let me write that down right here. And then we also copy down the right hand side. Now we have a quadratic equation. Let's go ahead and make the right hand side 0. So that's minus 3x to both sides. Also minus 34 to both sides. On the left hand side, we have x squared. Minus 4x minus 3x, we will get minus 7x. 4 minus 34, we have minus 30, and that is equal to 0. To factor this, well, we just have x squared, so we must have x times x. Now we need to think about two numbers that they multiply to negative 30. Together, they add up to negative 7. And the correct combination is negative 10 and plus 3. So we need a minus 10 plus 3. The order doesn't matter. Now, this times this is equal to 0. That means either x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. For the first equation, we can just add 10 to both sides. So x is equal to 10. For the second equation, subtract 3 to both sides. So x is equal to minus 3. Now, here's the deal. If you plug in both answers into the original, instead of the square root, you still get positive, especially for the negative number. When you have negative 3, if you plug into here, negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Square that first, you get positive 25. So that's no confusion because if you take square root of positive 25, it's a nice result. Likewise, if you put negative 3 into here, the inside will also be positive, so that will for sure work. Now, 10 of course is also a solution, plugging still work. So the final question is which one is the smaller solution? This one is the smallest solution because negative 3 is less than 10. So the answer is x is equal to negative 3 because this is the smallest solution to our equation. So that's it. Now, why did I say this right here is not tricky? Well, if you want to think about a trickier version, check out this one. I don't know the answer for this one either, so go ahead, watch it, and let me know what you think.